UNFCCC COPs, year-wise notes, tourism-focused full form, COP, Conference of the Parties organized by UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Why it matters for tourism. Climate change affects tourism destinations, glaciers, beaches, forests. COPs drive policies on sustainable tourism, green energy, carbon neutrality, etc. COP1 1995, Berlin, Germany. First official COP after UNFCCC set the stage for legally binding commitments. COP3 1997, Kyoto, Japan, Kyoto Protocol adopted, aimed at reducing GHG emissions. Late early framework for low-carbon tourism planning. COP15 2009, Copenhagen, Denmark aimed to create a global agreement but fell short. Brought tourism under indirect discussion as part of Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. COP16 2010, Cancun, Mexico introduced the Cancun Agreements, climate finance, REDD+ tourism ministries started aligning with climate resilience goals post this. COP21 2015, Paris, France, Paris Agreement adopted, limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius, ideally 1.5 degrees. A major impact on tourism. Sustainable transport, low emission infrastructure in tourism, carbon neutral destinations, eco-tourism promotion in line with climate goals. 22 Colombian pesos 2016, Marrakesh, Morocco. Focus on implementation. COP of the Paris Agreement discussed climate impact on Africa's tourism-dependent economies. 24 Colombian pesos 2018, Katowice, Poland. Katowice rulebook adopted, guidelines for implementing Paris Agreement encouraged carbon measurement in aviation and hospitality sectors. 25 Colombian pesos 2019, Madrid, Spain, hosted by Chile. Discussions on sustainable ocean-based tourism, island destinations called for stronger commitments from tourism-heavy countries. 26 Colombian pesos 2021, Glasgow, UK, tourism got a special focus. Launched Glasgow Declaration on Climate Action in Tourism, aim, cut tourism emissions by 50% by 2030, net zero by 2050. Led by UNGO, UNEP, India and other nations encouraged to submit tourism climate plans. 27 Colombian pesos 2022, Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt focused on loss and damage fund for vulnerable nations. Recognized threats to coastal and heritage tourism from climate disasters. Highlighted community-based tourism resilience. 28 Colombian pesos 2023, Dubai, UAE. First ever global stocktake of Paris Agreement. Tourism sector updates. Push for green hotels, eco-certification urged aviation and cruise industries to reduce emissions. Digital reporting tools for sustainable tourism encouraged. 29 Colombian pesos 2024, Baku, Azerbaijan. Date, November 20, 2024. Location, Baku, Azerbaijan. Theme day, urbanization, transport, tourism day. This was the first time in the history of the UN Climate Change Conferences, COP, that a dedicated thematic day for tourism was organized. The event highlighted the critical role of tourism, transport, and urbanization in climate action and sustainable development. Major declarations launched. COP29 Declaration on Enhanced Climate Action in Tourism Map, Multi-Sectoral Actions Pathways, Declaration for Resilient and Healthy Cities. Thank you for watching DKD Education. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.